Hello. In this training course, we are going to review the installation process outlined in the Installation Program Manual. The installation process consists of 11 key steps. Following these steps ensures project accuracy, that nothing gets overlooked, and a smooth process for installation. This will allow for an amazing customer experience. We will review key elements of each step during this presentation. You can also access this information in the Installation Program Rebath Manual. Step 1 of the process is reviewing the job site and scope of work. You should be assessing the site for any pre-existing damage or safety concerns. Make sure you are documenting any issues found. You want to review all materials to make sure they will work for the project layout. Review the job specs during your bathroom review. Step 2 is a critical step in this process. Reviewing the job details with the customer is important. You want to ensure that both parties are aligned with the expectations of the project. Take time to walk through the scope of the project with the customer. It is important that you review the materials as well. You want to make sure that the colors are what the customer is expecting before you start. During this time, the customer may have several questions. Take time to answer any questions they have. This will help ease any anxiety the customer may have with this project. For this step, you want to really take time to review the specifications of the products you are going to install. Validate that you have all the clearance requirements to install them properly. If you see any issues, you want to address the necessary steps with your supervisor. Reference the Field Installation Manual for proper specifications of the products. Step 4 details protecting the area from damage. This can take some time to do, but it reduces the risk of property damage during the install. You should protect the cutting area outside the home, the area from point of entry leading to the bathroom, as well as any parts of the bathroom that are not part of the project. Have the customer move any valuables to avoid any risk of damage. Make sure you have discussed and documented any pre-existing damage with the customer before covering. Photograph your prep in case you need it for future reference. Step 5 is simply put. Make sure you shut off the water before starting the installation. Before you shut it off, make sure the customer is done using it. Give them an ETA on how long they will be without water. Don't forget to turn it back on before leaving for the day. In this step, you are prepping the job. That entails all demo work and project preparation for installing all the new products. Be careful during demolition to not cause any additional damage for the project. Step 7 is the installation of the new products. You should always reference the manual before you install to ensure all appropriate installation steps are being performed. To access installation guides, log into your RB Academy account. Once the installation is complete, you will start your site cleanup. During this step, you are cleaning up all dust and debris inside and outside the home. You will remove all tools from inside and working to stage the bathroom for a final walkthrough with the customer. Before you do a final walkthrough with the customer, you should conduct a final post-job inspection. You want to ensure the space is ready for the customer to review and do any last touch-ups or cleaning that you may have missed. This step is the final review of the job for the customer. Whether you have the installer or the design consultant perform, it is important to make time for a quality review. Do not let them review this alone. Walk the site with the customer and review the scope of work performed. Demonstrate how the product works and review all necessary cleaning and warranty information. The customer may have several questions during this walk. Take time to answer all their questions. Once they have confirmed satisfaction, have them sign all necessary documents and collect final payment. The final step of the project is taking time to take pictures of the job site once complete. Take photos of the bathroom, walkway, and outside area. These photos can be used for marketing as well as evidence if there are any issues that surface after the project. Make sure you upload all photos into RB Direct.